It looks so good. And look at that, you can see the other sticker. I don't know if you guys can see it, but you can see that sticker. And you'll be able to see the other stickers I put on that back windshield too. But damn, it looks way too good. It's got no right looking that good.
Hey, buddy.
Got this banner put up there. Cut the leftover nachos from going out with my grandma, which on some rice or Miata. 2 are in Mad Mike's shop. McDonald's. Vibing with the car, about to throw these wheels on just to look at it. Kind of doing for fun stuff. Gonna see if I can get to a couple bolts and transmission. Shout out Hatred. Definitely been repping this brand. Also up there. But time to rep my own brand. I gotta put the windshield decal back here for that. Yeah, let's throw on these wheels. Let's get it. We out here, gang, 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 gang. Damn. Such a 3 Series looking BMW ass 90s, early 2000s looking ass wheel with the silver and just wow, this is what childhood me wanted. 16-year-old me would have really wanted. He'd be proud of himself right now. Not gonna lie. Still watching a haggard member. Not much has fucking changed since but yeah, no more E30, just working on the newer, bigger engined, better platform of a car. Hell yeah, let's get it. Put these wheels on.
It's not super clean, but definitely better than what she was. Got the old oil off of it, old gum. It's pretty good though. Pull in, check the dip fluid. It's probably dry as the bone. Yeah, man. Look at this mid toe hook they give you. They give you a mid toe hook right here.
Oh shit. I fucked it.
Thing is done. Look at this thing. I love this thing.
No wonder why I was backwards.
To be honest. Let's be real.
Alright, I got this. Hold on.
Sick, baby.
I don't remember.
Hold on, I don't have a drain bucket. In there, yeah. What was in there? With that bucket? Was it it was a shit bucket. This dip fluid has never been paid.
It's my damn fault. I was all prepared, but I had it on mirror backwards.
Shit on the ground over there.
So that's fun.
So the old fluid's out, just put new oil in it. Some thicker shit. 80.
I guess we'll just do 2 liters at a time, I guess, huh?
Yeah, we don't know. But who knows?
I'm assuming that's it.
Metal, oil, probably the same stuff. So it could still grind. We never know that. Yeah. The original before we changed it to that. I think we found the problem, Dyke, now. What happened?
This
thing is just fucking blown out. Nowadays, technology, they rebuild everything. Raining out there? Is it raining? Yeah. You need to get a lot of brake cleaning. Yeah. Don't blow the roof. You gotta get this. Coming soon. Probably don't think I'll hate it or regret it. Dirty Sprite, you know. I've got a little forge going on over here. Spray more, Brian?
That one was rough. Look at all this. I might have to paradise. Honestly. Gotta do this tea first, I guess. Oh shit.
Exactly. Ryan's playing with fire, though. Never get me driving. Ryan cleaned it up good. Almost set the shop on fire.
That's it right there.
Doing so. Oh, it looks pretty clean. They suck. I hate them.
Oops. Hope I didn't stretch it out too much in places. Probably did. But we will work it out as best as we can. Oh shit, not me fucking putting this down already.
Just like that, just hit it. See if it works. Take the price. Seize on it. Don't even rotate. Yeah.
Nice.
Not bad, Ryan. Nice work.
Actually,
Killed it. And Ryan, what are you smoking?
pretty sick.
Don't.
I hope I centered it correctly. Look at that, all that. That's nasty. Let's just keep going.
Start it in the air first. I want to see. I want to see it. Hold.
Get that shit out of the way.
Start it. Let me know if both wheels spin.
I'm gonna sit here and scratch the head out of this. Make sure this is all stuck down in all the places. I think I got a couple creases. This E was smashed up. Messed up to get off. Or, yeah. That's where all that mess came from. So, stripping it off too fast. But, oh shit, is that crooked? No. I think that's alright. Alright? Yeah. That's sick, y'all. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, that's pretty. Pretty. Let's get it fucking all the way done. Or was it this R? I can't remember. Could not remember. I think it was the R actually. Yeah, like I said, let's actually just do it on camera. And film it at all. Oh, nice. It's pretty easy. Nice. You can see a couple of places where I didn't get it all the way. This T might be able to pull up, stretch. Nice. See, that was that crease right there. There's the R that gave me troubles, and yep, there's a bubble in it. But other than that, these are the only two things. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Wow, I can't believe I finally was able to put my stickers on. Drift mods, like basically like an angle kit. Well, not really an angle kit. Just like under $100 part, Chelsea Net outfit. Any type of actual drift angle. I felt like I could be official. Put this Drift HQ sticker. My car looks a little different with that sticker and these wheels. What do you say? For 50 bucks. And I really only paid for that small sticker that's on my mirror. So that's $10. I won like a giveaway, so I won that one. I knew exactly where I would put that one when I won it. So yeah, I'm gonna go to bed, but I will clean the window off camera. Kind of closed up shop. And that's about it. That's all she wrote. So catch you guys tomorrow or in the next video. And yeah, I'll be probably a lot more happy with those were silver, which I'll do tomorrow. So that's why I want to get to bed tonight, so I can do a lot of work. That's basically what I want to do. And it's going to be a lot of work to get this transmission out and to paint these wheels. But I'll have all day tomorrow. Peace. Have a good night. Alright, and so I don't know if you guys can tell the difference. I think I did do something. Something. But overall, I think it's better. I think And like you can see, I did something. So, all you coffee drinkers out there, this is so freaking good. Like, and if you drink coffee, I get it now. If it tastes this bomb, you guys can't read it, I guess, but it's Girl Scout coconut Samoa caramel Dunkin'. It's so bomb. It was a mission. I thought I lost my wallet at one point. The lady there didn't speak English. Me not picky English. Just when I finally went up to the register to ask for it, it was a whole thing. It's probably a good thing I didn't film it or bring you guys into Walmart like I used to. I used to go to that specific Walmart and film for this very channel. If you look far back enough, a few years ago I went there to buy some fabric for the headliner, but now here to buy some spray paint to paint these wheels because I like silver wheels. This just proves natural light wins every time. I'm nowhere even near the sun. You can see it's like so, but this shows that the imperfections are very much there. So this is a good before. This is a primer buildup. So I will try to lay some thickle goody coats for y'all and see how she turns out. I'm gonna put some notes cards in, get her spraying. That's all I'm working with. My mom's Scotch Brite pads. It's like I'm seeing multiple colors or something here. I don't know. Just wish it was that. If it was just left alone. It's okay. I get it. I think these are curbed or something, but I was looking at this one. It doesn't look quite as bad. I mean, it's literally more curved, so it's worse in that aspect. Literally all around. But as far as big ol' stuff, and in the center, it's got that weird chipping. This trash can smells nasty for some reason. But I honestly do love how clean these are. These are literally OEM finish, just raw material. It's good. It really is good. These was, but I'm gonna try to make this look good too. I mean, see what we're working with here. Little shit. Oh, that's the only one that's not flipped out. Alright. I should do. I put the two yellows next to each other. That's actually freaking me out. Let's swap them. Because there is only two yellows. Alright, alright. Looking like a. It's looking like a paintable wheel. It doesn't matter because I'm not keeping this tire anyways. I guess these note cards are kind of a waste, but I don't know. It's just how I do things. I don't know. And plus, like when I go to put it on the car, plus it's silver, and plus any overspray is just not good. It keeps it kind of contained here. Don't want to use the cardboard, but if it goes through there, you know, do this. Go back to the time lapse. Do a little POV action, give it 5-10 seconds of shaking, and then we'll start this fucking mosquitoes, man. On me, god dang. Get the tattoo ceiling. Alright, let's get it.
Ew, I feel like there's something in there. I feel like no wonder why these wheels look like this. You know what I mean? I don't know if that looks much better. It is kind of highlighting all the imperfections for sure. Oh shit. All I can say is at least it's silver.
Looks like poopy. Looks like poopy. Looks like poopy. Looks like poopy. But all in all, at least they're silver. I already like them better because they're silver. God damn, these fucking mosquitoes need to go the fuck away. Alright, so here we are. Tires, I think. Putting on some nice, good sport tires on here that are also a much smaller size, like just more narrow and just smaller in general. And make this thing look way better. So tires, especially on something like this, is gonna be huge, but I'm actually pretty pleased the way it turned out. You know, it's got the paint, that's what the paint's doing up in those couple spots. But considering how bad it looked before, if you guys could imagine, I like have been sitting here with Scotch-Brite kind of trying to feather it out. You can almost see, you know what I mean? Like that was a hard line here. Like some of this stuff was like hard lines, and I tried to feather it out and like lay that on thick many coats. I won't lie, I've been doing this for a couple hours, but I don't know, considering it was a cheap job or whatever, you know, like that's what we're looking at here. But yeah, when I put on some tires, I think is a big one. I don't know, can I like make this look better on camera? Ooh, I think I can. This is like bubbling up from weird stuff. I don't know what's happening, but yeah, I don't know. Yeah, out here. I don't think anyone's really gonna notice at the end of the day. You know?
Several days later.
I look at this and most people are like, what the hell, the fitment is disastrous. I mean, all I did was put a wheel on and take the coilover out, so for the strut spring. So give me a break, but it looks good. Give me a little time. Trust the process. Spacer, coilover. Alright, so a lot of time has passed, but I'm sitting here editing, guys. Kind of an up close of the tires we got here. It's been sitting in my room, as you can tell. Got the Kazi K1s over here, but yeah, they're 205 40s, I believe. They're really good. I got them off of eBay, and they're not like name brand, but I'm pretty sure they're modeled after name brand. Like you can see, they're sitting here. They're kind of dusty. Good tires, in my opinion. Pretty sporty. Just wanted to show a little bit more of an up close, since I think it's a good fitting tire for stock wheel. And then for these wheels, stay tuned, because I got a set of tires here, and I'm gonna make a video about that. Excuse all this stuff, but you can see here, got some tires, and they're not very big. They might need some stretching. It's kind of funny, I got a racing wheel with some stretch tires, and I have a stock BMW wheel with some more sportier tires. Anyway, stay tuned. I get my tires off of Amazon. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up, this vlog up, edit it. You guys will watch it. This is literally probably, I had it all filmed and ready to go, and I was sitting there. You know what? I gotta finish this out. I'm blurred out, but you guys get the point. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We out here, gang gang. Peace out.